Everyone talks about critical bugs. But today, we start from the bottom. Welcome to the P4 Vulnerability Series. So, what exactly is a P4 vulnerability? P4 means low severity. It usually does not give direct access, does not break authentication, and does not lead to immediate damage. But it still leaks information. It still weakens security. And yes, it is still reportable. Today, I'll show you a vulnerability most beginners ignore. Pre-account takeover. Pre-account takeover happens when an attacker creates an account using someone else's email before the real user does. If the application does not verify email ownership, the attacker controls the account. Later, when the real user tries to sign up, the account already exists and the attacker owns it. This is usually marked as P4. Let's see how pre-account takeover works in a real application.